Okay, so welcome back everyone. So now I'm going to be telling you about what a Venn diagram is. So basically, a Venn diagram, I'm going to be explaining how the Venn diagram really looks like. So let's say you have a set, okay? You have a universal set. Let's say you just have a set, okay? Just assume that this is a set, okay? So now this is what's going to happen. So I'm just explaining what a Venn diagram basically is. Okay, so basically you're going to have a set A, okay, and then you have a set B, okay, and then this is the universal set. So you have a set A, then you have set B, and then a universal set. So this is what a Venn diagram is. But guys, the thing is there are many types of Venn diagrams. Another type of Venn diagram is this. We'll discuss this later on as well. But this is another type of Venn diagram. This one, okay? So this is known as A union B, okay? Where this is A and this is B, okay? And then you have another type of Venn diagram, which is like this, okay? A and then you have B, and then this is the common part, okay? This is the common part. This is called the intersection, okay? I'm sure you know. So inter is short for intersection. So this is more importantly known as A intersection B, okay, where this is A and this is B, okay? So these are just three Venn diagrams. There are many sort of Venn diagrams, and we'll be discussing all of them later on in the chapter, so don't worry, don't sweat it. These are not the only Venn diagrams I'm going to tell you about. I'm going to tell you about more of them, okay? I'm going to tell you about more of them later. So, just relax, and most importantly, don't start getting nervous or anything. We're going to talk about more of them later on. These are just three to give you an idea. Okay? Just wanted to show you. This is not something. Now, another thing, guys, that I want to tell you is that before we move on, you remember, right, that in power set I got stuck. So let me just go back to power set for a second. So I apologize that at the need of the hour, I got confused or something. But sometimes, guys, when you look at something, once you look back at certain concepts after a really long time, you tend to forget them, and then you tend to have a little bit of doubt. And if at that time I had not checked again, and I had taught you the entire thing in the wrong way, then it would end up causing you to lose your grades. So I had done an example. Now I remember. Okay, I had done an example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So basically, we already know what is a power set. What is a power set? Okay, it is the number of all subsets of set A. The number of all subsets of set A. Okay. So now you already know the formula, don't you? NA is equal to 2 to the power n. Okay, where 2 to the power n is greater than n. We already know. We already know this is the formula. Okay, we already know this is the formula. These are just written for emphasis. You don't have to write this. Okay. So now what are we going to do? So now the thing is, how many subsets will 5 elements have? N5 will have how many subsets? N5, guys, is going to have N5, guys, is going to have 25 subsets. Sorry, it's going to have 32 subsets, guys. 32, my apologies. It's going to have 32 subsets. You know, because 2 to the power m, so this is the total number of elements you have, isn't it? So that is why that's going to be 2 to the power 5. So 2 to the power 5 is 32. Okay? 2 to the power 5 is 32. We all know. So this is how many sets this will have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I was explaining it to you that other way. Okay? But I had given you the wrong explanation as well. You see, I forgot that so much that I gave you the wrong explanation. So now I'm going to give you the correct explanation. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know why I erased this. It didn't make sense, but anyways. So this is how it is. So you first have a null set or a void set, okay? And then you have 1, okay, and then you have 2, and then you have 3, okay? And then now, this is how you do it, okay? You have 1, 2, 1, 3, okay, 1, 4. Okay, this is gonna take quite some time. And then you have 1, 5, okay? And then you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna have 2, 2, 1, okay? And you're going to have 2, 2, okay? You're going to have 2, 3, okay? And then you're going to have 2, 4, okay? And then you're going to have 2, 4. And then you're going to have 2, 5, okay? Then you're going to have 2, 5. So basically the thing is, guys, you know, now you have 2, 5, then the same cycle starts again. 3, 1, 3, 2, you know, it's 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, and then 4, 1. So it goes in that pattern, okay? It goes in that pattern. Now obviously there will not be enough space for me to write all of them, you know, but let's count so far how many they are. If you think I'm not right, I'm still giving you the wrong information, you know, let's really count how many they are so far. But guys, this is something that you should do. Just because somebody has given you some information in mathematics and they know it better than you, it doesn't mean it's true. We all can, you know, sometimes make silly mistakes, you know, because we already know the thing, and it happens, guys. So let's just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13, right? So we need how many? We need 19 more. So let's try. Let's try, guys. Let me just try. For me, this is not a tedious thing. Let me just try. The least I can do is help you guys. And let's see if we can get to 32. We have to get to 32. If we don't, then I'm probably living a life which is a lie. You know, but it has to be 32. And yes, it will be 32. It will be 32. I've got it confirmed in my mind. 4, 1, okay. 4, 2, 4, 3, okay. 4, 4, okay. And 4, 5, okay. So now let's do, okay, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, okay, 5, 4, and oh, magically 5, 5 as well. Magically we got it. Okay, now this is what it is. You know, obviously don't forget to do it like that again. But this is what it is. Now I could have written it even more properly, but the thing with me what's the point of writing things properly when you write the wrong thing? So I have to just make sure I'm right. So let's count again from the beginning. I know we left off at 13, but let's count again. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So there are still 28 guys. So there might be something that I've either done wrong. I've missed something out. That's 100% for sure. Yes, I've missed something out. You see? Do you understand, guys, what I've missed out? I missed out the most important thing. I'm missing out something very important and something very embarrassing. What do you think I'm missing out, guys? I'm missing out two elements, guys. Two elements I'm missing out. And that is this one. Look. You have 4, okay? And you have 5. I'm missing that. Okay, now I'm missing 2 more elements out, guys. There are 2 more elements which I'm missing out. I've got 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. There are 2 elements more I'm missing out. And which are they? Let's see. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. Okay? 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. 3, 5, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 1, 5, 2. So, is there something else that I'm missing out? Is there something else that I'm missing out? It can be possible. But guys, there are 32 subsets. That's one thing I can tell you. So, let's just do it. Let's count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So there are 2 elements which are missing. 2 elements. Which ones are they? That's the one that we really need to know. Okay, guys, I got it. I just found it out. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 1, 3, and 1, 4, isn't it? And 1, 5. So although you have 1, 2, and 1, 3, guys, you obviously also need. So you have 1, 2, 1, 3. So guys, what you also need is this one. 2, 3, and 4, 5. These are the elements which are missing. So what I'm going to do now is, now that I've found out the ones that I missed, I'm going to write it again just properly for you. But I hope you're able to view this, isn't it? Yes, you're able to view it. Maybe not in the best way, but you can still view this. But you see, guys, I'm really good at sets, and I really love this chapter. But because I'm studying it after a really long time, even answering this question took me so long. Even after I had written everything, I saw silly mistakes. That's why I always say to all of you, that don't take other people's word for it, even if they know more than you. Because they can also make mistakes that go unnoticed. Like I made the mistakes and then I verified it just for you. And then I found my mistakes, didn't I? And I'm explaining it to you, and someone who already has studied a little bit about sets, if that person has an analytical mind or an alert mind, he'll be telling me what the hell am I doing. So the thing is, also use your brain. That's also a very important thing for you guys. So I'm going to write it all over again, guys, just to show you how it looks like. And guys, don't be ashamed if you forget something in mathematics or if you don't know something. There are times where even the best of people forget the most basic things. It's just normal, guys. So let's do it. So let me just write this so that you know what I'm computing. So this is written right here. So I hope you can visibly see it. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. You can visibly see it. No problem there. So let's really look at it. So here you'll write this. Let's start from here. You'll write this. A equals. So now let's write it properly. Okay, so you have null set first of all. Then you have 1. Then you have 2, then you have 3, then you have 4, then you have 5, okay? And now guys, don't forget one thing. You have 1 and 2, okay? Then you have 2 and 3, then you have, so you have 1 and 2, okay? Yeah, you have 1 and 2. And then you have 2 and 3, and then you have